Hi, this is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda, located in Greenfield, Wisconsin, on the corner of South 108th and Morgan. One of the things I truly love about Mazda is the engineering team behind Mazda. Many people have heard of the term Skyactiv. It used to be known as iActiv, which is an intelligent system. Skyactiv is a system that the engineers came up with, meaning sky's the limits. Mazda, as all of you know, and if you've checked in some reports, they're all about safety. Safety for you, safety for your loved ones when you're driving our vehicles. One of the nice features about Mazda is their voice command system located in any one of their vehicles. Right now, we're inside of a 2021 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring. We're not going to talk about all the bells and whistles because there's a lot of bells and whistles for this beautiful vehicle. What we're going to talk about now are the voice commands. Voice commands work whether you utilize Mazda's free Apple CarPlay / Android Auto, or if you don't utilize the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What's nice is if your phone is Bluetoothed, you're driving along down the road and you decide, I need to call mom, I need to call so-and-so. You simply push this button right here on the steering wheel. It looks like a phone, and there's a little mouthpiece. You push that button, the computer's going to say a command. Now, let me pause there for a moment. Mazda's system used to require you to wait for the computer to stop talking. You'd have to wait for the beep and then say the command. Mazda knows that that's frustrating. They've now added a barge-in feature. So as soon as you push the button, the computer will say a command. You don't have to wait for the computer to stop talking. Just say, call mom, call so-and-so, and the vehicle will access your Bluetooth and will call that individual. Let's say you do have your phone hooked up and you want to go to Starbucks. Now, I'm a big coffee drinker. I drink it all day long. Coffee is life for me. So when I'm driving down the road, and if I don't know where Starbucks is, I'll push that button and say, take me to Starbucks. The computer will then take me to Starbucks via my Apple CarPlay or my Navigation SD chip. Once again, here at Mazda, they're all about your safety, your comfort, and making sure that you're taken care of. They're all about you keeping your eyes on the road, enjoying the drive, speaking to the vehicle, and having the vehicle react and obey your commands. So please, come see Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda. Let me take care of you. Let me show you some of these magnificent features. But most importantly, let's go on a test drive and let's test these voice commands. Call me at 414-329-5800. I'll see you on the store floor.